So you started this new business, your business is going great, you've made some sales, but you as the CEO, you're still managing all the tedious tasks in your business. That's not the way this goes. So my name is True. I want you to stick with me throughout this episode because I'm going to be teaching you some tools about project management. Today's video, we're really just going to talk about what project management is, how it applies to your business, and why you actually need it in the first place. My name is True. I'm your favorite business strategist, and I'm owner of True Creatives Media and Management, and we are a project management company. I teach seven-figure business owners and those inspiring to be seven-figure business owners how to not do shit. Right? So that means you're creating process and systems to actually manage the tedious tasks in your business. Now, today's episode, I won't be diving into all of that. You'll have to subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned. So go ahead and turn on the notifications so you can get all of the tips, tactics, and strategies that I utilize when it comes to project management. I also have an online course. If you wanted to purchase that, I'll leave a description below, but that's not what this is about. This episode is about telling you what project management is and why you even need it. Project management is essentially what you use to manage the things in your business. It outlines the risk management. It outlines things like your budget, the who, what, when, where, and whys of your business. Who's going to do what? What are they going to do? When are they going to do it? When do they need to do it by? And why do you even need it to be done? For example, every business needs a CRM system, customer relationship management. How are you actually managing those leads? Yes, you've made some sales. Yes, your business is going great, but are these returning customers? Are you struggling in that area? Well, this is why you need project management. So project management is simply just you defining the risk and where you are and where you're trying to go. So for example, if you are currently only making 10 sales per month and you're looking to make 20 sales per month, we first have to identify that gap. What is it that's keeping you at 10 sales per month, and how do you actually get to that 20 sales per month? Well, there's a system for that. That's called project management. There should be someone on your team or a system that's helping you define those things and build a strategy to actually reach that new goal. And so if you're not in that space to say, hey, I'm gonna hire on a project management team to help me meet that goal, or to throw that event, or to raise these sales, or to capture new leads, then your job is to go in and create a project management system that does this for you. In order to effectively do this, we first need to define what is the issue in my business that I need to solve. That's how we even develop what project it is that we're going to do. So what's the issue? Is the issue that I'm not being able to manage all of the customers that I have coming in? Is the issue that I have an event coming up and I don't know what it is that we're going to do at this event, or who I need, or what's going to happen at this event, or what the goal of this event is? And then after we define whatever that issue is, we have to go in and create a solution for it. That solution and what we're doing is actually going to be our project management plan. So you need these systems in your business because it's going to keep you on task with meeting the small milestones that you set to reach your goals. So make sure that you stay tuned, because in this series, we're going to be discussing different project management tools that you actually need and how you can effectively apply them to your business. As a business owner, you want to spend more of your time doing whatever it is that you need to do. Most of the time as the CEO, you're a thinker. You're not the person that should be in your company doing. It shouldn't be you that's doing. You should have a person, a team, or a system in place to actually help you accomplish your goals for your business. And the best way to actually do this is to have a project management system.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.